This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 26B is a Class C RV. It is located in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, 17022 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 40 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 26B is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.